Georgia state-to-state moving companies. When it comes to moving, a One Auto Transport has you covered. From packing services to local, long-distance and international moves, they have options that work for everyone. Count on them for reliable and friendly services combined with the latest technology. Whether you are moving next door from your home in Georgia or across the country, moving can be tough. There are utilities to shut off, medical records to transfer, school records to transfer, and that is all before you touch a single box. After that, you have to actually pack up a truck or van and do the actual move. Looking for cheap long-distance movers near you in Georgia? Your typical DIY long-distance moving story will look a little something like this. Days prior, you'll be packing up everything you own and getting a moving truck. On moving day, you'll plead with everyone you know to help you load your household items onto a truck. The next day you might start driving but will have to stop and leave your truck in the parking lot of a hotel, filled with everything you own. Our Georgia Moving Company also offer a fragile-only packing option if you want extra security for valuable items such as antiques, artwork, or heirlooms. To top it off, our local moves and long-distance moves are competitively priced compared to other long-distance moving companies, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank when making your big move. Choosing your Georgia long-distance movers, you will want to do your research. You don't want to end up losing all your worldly possessions due to theft or damage. The company's reputation. Years in business. DOT registration. Insurance and liability and additional services. Ease of contact. Step-by-step guide on long-distance move to Georgia. Research moving companies. Create an inventory list. Once you've found your preferred company, it's time to make an inventory list of all the items you need to move. Organize packing materials. Gather together all the necessary packing materials, such as boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and labels. Start packing. Book your move. Prepare for delivery. On the day of your move, make sure everything is ready for pickup. One Auto Transport is equipped with professional movers that can help you navigate the complicated moving process. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.